What is up, you guys? So TikTok has this thing where you could basically link another TikTok to one that you recorded already. The way I said it makes no sense, but I'm going to show you right now. As you see right here, I have my drafts open. I'm going to open up one of my drafts and I'm going to post it. I'm going to click on it. What is up, you guys? So pause. This is the one I'm going to put. Okay, so this is how it should look like. As I can. Okay, and right next to the hashtag we have the videos. I click on it and you'll see all the different, like, basically TikToks that I've made. So if I got like one where it doesn't have many views, I could click on that one, or I could click on whichever one. I'm just gonna scroll down, stop, choose this one. This is the one I'm gonna choose. And that's basically all you have to do. Next, I'm going to post it. Now it should look something like this, and you can see right here where it has kind of like the play thing on it with my like name. I click on it and it sends me to, hey, what up, you guys? So boom, that's an awesome feature. If you enjoyed this, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button too. Thank you for watching.